Well, not the results San Antonio was looking for, but good news. A lot of things that can be easily fixed. For starters, you can't shoot 25.6% from beyond the arc and expect to win, not at any level of basketball, especially the NBA Finals. They were 11 of 43 from three-point range, weren't much better from the field. Something we talked with head coach Mitch Johnson about following Game 1 in our halftime pizza Silver and Black reports from the NBA Finals.
Coach, were you good with the looks that you got from beyond the arc, the team got from the three-point range tonight?
I thought we missed some shots, yeah. I thought we missed some good shots, and I think there'll be some possessions that, again, we could have worked the clock more, worked them more defensively. That was probably just, I kind of refer them as they're just shots. Is it a bad shot or a good shot? I don't really know, but it's just a shot. And we probably could be a little bit more greedy on that possession to get something better as a group.
We'll check back in following what now becomes a very crucial Game 2 for the Spurs. Cannot go down 2-0, headed back to Madison Square Garden. With your playoff report, sponsored by Halftime Pizza from the NBA Finals, I'm Hector Ledesma.
Hi, we're Monica and Dave. We are the proud owners of Halftime Pizza, located in the corner of Silent Sunrise and Tezel. We've been serving our friends and family since 2014. We offer a family-friendly atmosphere where there's truly something for everyone. We take pride in our kitchen. We use fresh ingredients whenever possible and make our dough and signature sauces in-house daily. The crowd favorites are legendary pizza rolls, our fresh pizzas, and our crispy wings. Shh, don't tell. The secret weapon, homemade ranch. There's something for everyone. Subs, calzone, salad, wraps, spaghetti, and a dedicated kids menu. 16 draft beers, wine, and our signature frozen margaritas. On Mondays, we have happy hour specials all day. 2 personal pizzas for $15, up to 3 toppings. Terrific Tuesdays, $3 giant slices. First topping is free. Additional toppings are 50 cents. Bottomless spaghettis include side salads and breadsticks. Kids under 10 eat free on Wednesdays with adult entree, $5 a glass on wines, and 20% off all wing orders, dine-in only. Thursdays, teachers get 15% off and $4 frozen drinks and margaritas. Happy hour, 2 to 6, and we got the best Spurs special in town. With NFL, NBA, MLB, we're the spot to go. 78250 Halftime Pizza.